What's up YouTube? This is Deshayla and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find six-figure products for Shopify using this underground product research tool. So stay tuned and watch the entire video because I'm going to show you this really cool tool plus proof that these products have been generating six figures in sales. Okay guys, before we get started, I want you to go ahead and make sure that you have subscribed if you want to see more content about Shopify dropshipping and dropshipping in general, how you could build a profitable online dropshipping business using Shopify, eBay, Amazon. We're going to be talking a lot about Amazon in the future as well. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you click on that bell icon so that you can get notifications on when I drop new videos. And last but not least, leave a thumbs up and like this video. Okay, so let's get right into it. We're not going to be using this website. I was actually doing some research and I just decided to cut a video. So I'm not going to be using this website. I'm getting ready to reveal to you the actual website and the underground tool that is going to help you find six-figure products. So without further ado, here is the actual tool. So this is a really cool tool that I have not seen anybody on YouTube ever talk about. So I believe I'm the first one besides the creator of this tool to ever talk about this tool on YouTube. So if you see anybody making a video after this about this tool, make sure you tell them to shout me out. Okay, so this tool is called Niche Scraper. As you can see, they pick out winning products for you that are already winning and proven to sell, and they break down everything for you. So right now I'm in the handpick section. They have actually a bunch of other tools that I'm going to go over in more videos, but this particular tool right here is going to show you winning products that they have already done research for you to be able to start selling immediately. So you can come over here and search by newest, oldest, or by engagement score. So what they do is they actually, when it comes to engagement score, they sort the products by the products that have the most engagement on Facebook. So say for instance, this product, a pineapple slicer, is the #1 product on here in terms of the engagement score. So if I click here on show me products or show me the profits, it's going to take me to the page where it's going to give me a whole bunch of information about this product. Okay, so they give you a lot of information. They give you the description here. They also give you the selling price, the product cost, the profit margin. Okay, and they also give you more information. They also give you the link to the AliExpress supplier that you could use. They give you a Facebook ad. They give you the store that's actually selling this product, the video URL for you to download the video. And then they tell you a little bit about the engagement. It has over 82,000 likes, 16,000 comments. So this is why this is rated for the top engagement score. And it also gives you a little bit more information here down at the bottom about the Facebook ads, ad copy and targeting and all of that. So if you do Facebook ads, you can come and actually use this website to actually help you with your Facebook ads and help you to find winning products. Also, if you are struggling with Facebook ads, you could actually use these products to actually put on Google and actually begin to get buyer traffic using Google search ads and Google shopping, and get in front of actual buyers and people who are looking for pineapple slicers. So if you want to learn more about Google Shopping and Google search ads and how you can get consistent sales with Google search traffic, bringing in buyer traffic to your store, go ahead and check out the link in the description. I am also offering a free one-on-one coaching call that's going to help you set up your Google Shopping and Google search ads the right way so that you can get profitable very quickly. Also, the link to this tool is going to be in the description as well. So now what we can actually do is we can go over to AliExpress and we can actually see how many orders this particular product is getting right now. Okay, so we are on AliExpress, and we can see that the first listing has over 1,000. The second one does. The third one has over 1,000 as well. And then the fourth one over 800, and so on and so forth. So most of these on here have over, all of them actually, I believe. Let's see, let's go to the bottom. Okay, like more than half of the page has over 100 orders per listing. So that's going to be over 10,000 orders. So all you need is 10,000 orders to make 6 figures with this particular product. I know that's easier said than done, but as you can see, each of these listings right here have well over 1,000 orders, and they're all from different suppliers. So that means a ton of drop shippers, a ton of people have came and purchased orders from these suppliers because they have sold this product and they want to drop ship this particular product. If I go to Facebook, as you can see, this Facebook ad showcasing the same product, and it has over 82,000 likes, 16,000 comments, 150,000 shares, and as you can see, over 15 million views. So this indeed is a 6-figure product, because like I said, thousands, over 10,000 orders combined with all of these listings. This product has been ordered over 10,000 times. Okay, so if we pull out the calculator and calculate 10,000 orders times $13.99, I believe this is what the selling price was, that's going to equal out to $139,900 in sales. Okay, so this is the selling price. All right, so most people are probably selling it for at least $9.99. Okay, so that about wraps up this video. Niche Scraper is a really awesome tool for you to be able to find products. I have left a link in the description for this product research tool. If you would like to get this product research tool, go ahead and click the link in the description and stay tuned for the next video.